Hello guys, I'd like to introduce chains. Chains is a way that you can automate ChatGPT. So let's start by opening the side panel. Here you can see I have two chains. So the way you define a chain is you simply type in the commands you want to do, one after the other, separated by your separator. So here I can say hi, hi, hello. And now I can run the chain. So I can choose where I want to start the chain from as well. And you can see that I can also insert some wait times. Uh, and once the chain is done, it will end. The cool thing about this chain is that I could also use it to create images. So, for example, if I was creating a picture book, I can use that to um, make it so that I create the images while adding enough delay so that I don't hit the rate limit. So, for example, I can play this chain. And I have the ability to pause and kind of move back in the prompt or forward in the prompt. And you'll notice that once it is running the prompt, um, it will go ahead and wait for the prompt to complete before giving the next prompt. And as soon as it's ready, it will, run the next prompt. When creating an image, it stops working as soon as you navigate away from the page. So what you can do is you can ask to open in picture view. So this will open a small version of the tab, and you can see that it is starting to generate the image. And the cool thing about this is that I can go to another tab where maybe I am animating uh, the images using Sora, and it will still continue to do the generation for me. So if I wait a few seconds here, you'll see that the next prompt will have started. Just because I have the picture-in-picture open, it is gonna, keep the focus for the tab and the prompt will continue working. After generating 5 images, it's going to wait 2 minutes before sending the next prompt so that you don't hit the rate limits. And you can configure these waits as well. So for example, if I go in and I open my side panel, you can see that um, here I have the ability to configure the delays. So here I can also move this, by the way. Um, I can set the default delay between running commands to half a second. After 5 images, wait 2 minutes, and you will see the visual indicator as well saying that the wait is happening. You can also put in the following commands for manually pausing for you to enter more things. So suppose you want to pause so that you can like correct any of the prompts. Uh, and then you can, go from there. So this is possible. I can also go ahead and edit the prompt here. So uh, I can see this is the saved prompt that I have, and I have the ability to add in a pause before I submit this prompt to basically allow myself to edit it. So I'll go ahead and save this, and you can see that I'm going to pause on this prompt. And so then if I um, play that chain, I'll be able to see that in action. In addition, you can also use this to toggle the picture uh, in picture view as well. So now I have, two different images. I can, do whatever I want with it. The cool thing about GPT-4o image is that it lets you generate consistent characters quite well, and it references the previous image to generate the next one, almost like a movie. And this is great because uh, you can use it in, video generation, in picture books, whatever chains you have in progress. So another thing that you can do is you can insert weights while the prompt is running as well. And this will mean that you're going to wait 30 seconds before running the next prompt. This is also a place where you can pause and check out like running commands that you've ran before, so you can go backwards and forwards in this, and you can rerun the commands you had. This is an example of what the image throttle looks like in action. You can see that this is how much time is remaining before it runs the next command, how much time it's paused for. You can see it in the progress runner, and you can also skip the image wait command. It will also figure out if you have, uh, if you are done with a prompt chain or if you're half done and you reload the page, what was the last command you sent so it can pick up from where it left off in case there's something wrong with the page. So this is the Chains Chrome extension. I hope you like it, and looking forward to adding more support for Gemini, Grok, etc. One additional thing is that if you get network errors and you have played your script, it will automatically retry and continue generating the set of images as well. So this is one of the best things about this. And if you want the create image to stop after 5 images, make sure that you use the create image command in the prompt, as that is what is used to detect if an image is being created. All right, folks, that's all, and thanks for watching.